Welcome to HealthPath Now, your go-to place for natural and science-based health tips. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to clean your gut, strengthen your immune system, and feel more energetic without using any supplements or medicines? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, I'll explain how a simple habit called intermittent fasting can completely transform your health, especially your gut and your immunity. So stay with me till the end, because what you'll learn today might change the way you look at food forever. Let's start with the basics. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not a diet. It's not about what you eat. It's about when you eat. In its most common form, the 16-8 method, you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, if you eat your first meal at 12 p.m., you finish your last meal by 8 p.m. During the fasting hours, you consume no calories, only water, black coffee, or herbal tea. It might sound difficult, but remember, you're sleeping through 8 of those hours. So in reality, you're only awake and fasting for about 8 hours. Now let's talk about your gut, your digestive system. This is where intermittent fasting becomes magical. When you fast, your digestive system gets a chance to rest and repair. This leads to reduced inflammation in your intestines, better gut lining repair, and a healthier balance of gut bacteria. Why is this important? Because your gut controls more than just digestion. It affects your mood, energy, sleep, weight, and even your brain function. When your gut is inflamed, your whole body feels it. Fatigue, brain fog, bloating, low energy. But when your gut is clean and balanced, you feel sharp, light, and alive. Multiple studies support this. Research from top universities shows that intermittent fasting reduces gut permeability, increases beneficial short-chain fatty acids, and supports microbial diversity in the gut, which simply means it helps your gut stay healthy and clean. Now let's talk immunity. Your immune system is your body's army, fighting bacteria, viruses, and toxins every single day. Fasting activates autophagy, a natural cleansing process in your cells. It literally means self-eating, where your body removes damaged or toxic cells and replaces them with new ones. Not only that, fasting increases production of white blood cells, the very cells that protect you from illness. So in simple words, IF makes your immune system faster, smarter, and stronger. Let's say you want to start today. Here's what to do. Begin with a 12-hour fast. For example, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. During fasting, drink water, black coffee, or herbal tea. During your eating window, focus on whole grains, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, fried items, and sugary drinks. After 4 or 5 days, increase your fast to 14 or 16 hours, depending on how you feel. Now, some important warnings. If you're underweight, diabetic, or pregnant, consult a doctor first. Don't overdo it. Fasting is powerful, but your body still needs balance. And always remember, sleep, hydration, and low stress are key to success. So to wrap it up, intermittent fasting is not just a trend. It's a time-tested, science-proven way to detox your gut, boost your immunity, and improve your energy, focus, and even mood. And the best part? It's free, and it works with your body, not against it. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. Tell us in the comments, will you try intermittent fasting this week? And don't forget to subscribe to HealthPath now, where natural healing meets science. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.